Hello, welcome to my channel. I hope you are all doing good. In the previous classes, we have discussed about degree of comparison and rules for the degree of comparison and some of the adjectives also. In this class, we are discussing about correct use of some of the adjectives.
Understanding the use of all and whole. All shows both the quantity and the number. Example, all the people gathered for the procession. Here all is used to signify the number of people. Whole shows only the quantity. Example, Sudha dropped the whole water. Here whole is used to signify the quantity of water. Each and every. Every is used to give indication of a group as a whole. Example, every student should be disciplined. Here every is used to give indication of a group of students. Each is used for every person out of two or more persons. Example, each of the three kids has doll to play. Here each is used to refer three kids individually. Understanding the use of some and any. The use of some in affirmative sentence. Example, I have some work left. Here the word some gives the meaning a little. Use of some in interrogative sentence. Example, shall I lend you some money? Here some is used for asking question. The use of word any in negative sentence. Example, Ravi did not answer any question. The word any is usually used to give a meaning at least one. The use of word any in interrogative sentence. Example, have you any spare pencil? Understanding the use of each other and one another. Each other shows the mutual relationship between two persons or things. Example, Varun and Vijay helped each other. Here each other is used to refer the mutual relationship between Varun and Vijay. One another shows the mutual relationship among three persons or objects or more. Example, citizens have to help one another. Here one another is used to show mutual relationship among the citizens. Understanding the use of either, neither, any and any other. Either means one or both of the two. Example, either of you can open the gift. Here either is usually used to indicate one or both of the given option. Neither means no one out of the two. Example, neither of the sisters had taken lunch. Here neither is used for negation of either. It indicates the negation of both the options. Means one or more but of many. Example, any of you can attend the seminar. Here any is used to indicate one or more people of a group. Any other means other than. Example, Can any other student answer the question except Seema? Here any other is used to provide an option among students other than Seema. Understanding the use of many, many-a, and much. Many means consisting of a large number. It is used before common noun to show their number. Please note that plural noun is used after many. Example, there are many animals in the zoo. Here many is used to indicate a large number. Many-a means consisting of a large number. It is used before common noun to show their number. Please note that singular noun is used after many-a. Example, many a flower fades unseen. Means consisting of a great number. It shows quantity or degree. Example, there is much traffic in the city. Here much is used to indicate a higher quantity of traffic jam. Understanding the use of little, a little, and the little. Little is used to indicate smallest size or lesser quantity. Example, there is little milk in the glass. Here, little is used to indicate that the quantity of milk in the glass is less. A little means nearly sufficient to fulfill requirement but not much. Example, a little of interest can make English grammar very easy. The little means a whole quantity of small amount. Example, I shared the little food with my friend. The little is used to indicate that the whole of the small quantity of food was shared.
I hope you understood the concepts whatever we have discussed in this class. If you like this video, please do like, share and comment. And also don't forget to do subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this video.